Okay.
We are statesmen in this country. Don't misrepresent us. Don't. Please.
No proviso.
What we are saying is that we are disagreeing with the proviso.
Those opposed to the proviso. Those opposed to the proviso. Can you now stand up and raise your hand? Count. I think there are only 3 or 4. Huh? Senator Victor Ome. No, he voted for the proviso, so don't distract him. The result is as follows. Senator Wadada, some mothers do have them. But continue. Senator Wadada was on it, so let him. The leader, allow me to announce this result. The results have just tumbled in from the IRF. So let me. The results are as follows. Those who do not want any proviso are 15 in number. And those who want the proviso are 55 in number. And so the proviso says, yes.
Order. Mr. President,
You wanted to leave
Go to your seat.
I'm coming under order 52. Mr. President,
Motion for decision. It's about everything. On the other hand, sir, I also want to say, if the essence of his call for division is for him or any other person, with due respect, who wants Nigerians to see where he stands, or who especially wants his political party to see where he stands, let it be so.
Now,
we are not doing anything here based on emotions or sentiment.
Yes.
We are not doing anything here because we want people to clap for us. We are here doing things in overriding public interest.
Point of order by the leader sustained. I have stated time without number. The last time Senator Abaribe withdrew his call for division, he was attacked on the social media. He has a right. Yes, it's an opportunity for him to correct it. So what Senator Abaribe is asking for, Senator Plan, what Senator Abaribe is asking for is that he would like to be seen there in the social media.
Mr. President, that is not true. I am talking for Nigerians, not for Senator Abaribe. I want Nigerians to know.
Okay, Senator. Okay, so Senator Abaribe. Senator Victor Ome, don't distract Senator Abaribe. He's on a very important national assignment, and the social media is watching. So now, move your motion. Move your motion.
Mr. President,
He wants to move a motion for division. If he's not moving a motion for division, then go into
Mr.
the order
President,
and I'll rule.
Order 72. 1. Any senator may challenge the opinion of the president by claiming a division. So
Yeah,
I'm calling for a division.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Point of order by Senator Abaribe, calling for a division on the provision of yes. It's not. It's calling for a division on the section
63 proviso. To
which
remove
gives
the proviso.
the presiding officer where communication fails at the polling unit. Please listen, Senator Eze. We have never done this before since you came to the Senate, so this is important for you to see how it works. What Senator Abaribe is saying is that in the event that the electronic transmission fails, we should leave it at that. We should not put a proviso that the primary source of collation, which is the EC8A, should be taken to the next center for collation. So in view of that, he does not want to hear the word. He doesn't want to hear the word proviso. So
Mr. President, Mr. President, sir, you are the presiding officer. Sir, yes, by the grace of God and the mandate given to you by our colleagues here, you are the presiding officer. Nobody is going to tell you on how to conduct this division. It's at your, if you like, you can ask for a show of hand. If you like, you can ask me to move to a side of the aisle. You know, if you want us to be on a particular aisle, we'll go there. Those who are in support of the proviso on one aisle, those who are opposed to the proviso on another aisle. And sir, Mr. President, I'm also standing up to move that the time for sitting be extended beyond 3 p.m. to enable us finish what we have. Mr. President, I'm moving that the time for sitting be extended beyond 3 p.m. so that we can finish this consideration. I so move.
That we extend the time beyond 3 p.m. to be able to continue the assignment. I so second.
Distinguished colleagues, a further motion has been moved that we do extend time beyond 3 p.m. to enable us finish this division. Those in support that time be extended beyond 3 p.m., can you say aye? And those against say nay. The ayes have it. Time is hereby extended beyond 3 p.m. Now, this is the procedure I want to take. You will stand up on your seat and you also raise your hand. So if you are in support that the proviso, which enables the presiding officer to proceed to the next center for collation with the hard copy of the sign from EC8A, so that collation can continue. If you are in support that the word proviso remains to enable the presiding officer to do so after imputing all the items, can you rise and raise your hand so that the public can see you? Come and count. Sorry. Sergeant at arms, count. Appoint somebody to count. Come. Start from here and count those who are standing. Count. Shh, come. Only raise your hand. Don't open your mouth. Raise your hand. Stand up, raise your hand. Don't open your mouth so that the public can see you. Because the social media must see you. I said you should, wherever you are, stand up and be counted. Have you captured all? Have you captured all? How many? Put it in a paper and give me. Okay. Thank you. Please be seated. Be seated. Be seated. Be seated, be seated. Now, if we can, sorry, Senator Sadiq, please, the Senate President is standing. If we can keep quiet, I want us, this is democracy in action. Now, those who have supported have been counted. Now, we now want to see those who are insisting that if it does not, we want to see those who are saying if the transmission or communication fails, that the election stops there.
That's what they're saying. That's what they're saying.
Senate President.
Order 52-4. A senator must confine his observation to the subject matters under discussion and may not introduce matter relevant to. Mr. President, Senator Abdul Ningi tried to rig the voting by raising two hands.
Yes.
He tried to rig.
So do we remove one from the 15?
One should be removed. He tried to rig the vote.
No.
He raised two hands. Well, when you said only one hand should be raised.
Senator Ningi is a man of integrity, and I don't see him trying to rig the votes. I saw only one hand. I saw Senator Ningi. I saw only one hand. I saw one hand. Point of order rejected. Okay, gentlemen, 61 to 70. Those in support at 61 to 70 form part of the bill. Say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. 70.
Yes. We'll do the division. But it's good. Let's put the record straight. Mr. President.
Sergeant Adams.
Mr. President, stay in the chair.
Sergeant Adams. Please.
Can I have your ears, please? Can I have your ears, please? Mr. President, stay in the chair, my distinguished colleagues. It's only when you feel from EC 8A that you will transmit. Without feeling from EC 8A, you cannot transmit. So, electronic transmission is there, and it has to be transmitted into the IRAM portal. I don't see the big deal in what we're talking about. What Abaribe is saying is that there should be electronic transmission of results, which is also contained in this subsection. But the primary thing to do is to fill the form EC8A. Thereafter, you transmit. If you don't fill the form EC8A, you cannot transmit the result. Yes.
Okay, gentlemen, I have upheld the request for division. Those who want the proviso that in the event that there is communication failure and we cannot transmit the form EC8A at that point, and then we take it to the next collation center, stay on the right-hand side of the presiding officer. Please, and for this purpose, those in support, sorry. Electoral Act 2022, Repeal and Enactment Bill 2026. Repeal clauses 154, page 75. Those in support that the Electoral Act 2022, comprising clauses 1 to 156, is hereby repealed, say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Enactment of the Electoral Act. Yes.
Clarification, Mr. President. Did you say clauses 1 to 156?
Entirety of the bill.
We're going
the entirety of the bill. The entirety of the bill.
Okay, title.
The entirety of the bill. Yes. The whole bill. The whole bill is repealed.
Repealed, yes.
Repealed.
And then that's in order. Then we go into.
We now go into the new enactment. And please, Senator Abaribe, note. Because of your status as an elder statesman and a landlord of the Senate, any place you have any disagreement, we put it to vote so that way we can move very fast. Well guided. Well guided. Did you hear Senator Dixon? Okay, from Senator Dixon through Senator Abaribe to all the senators. So please, I will try your best to cooperate with us. To 10, those who support that clauses 1 to 10 form part of the bill say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clauses 11 to 20. Those in support that clauses 11 to 20 form part of the bill say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clauses 21 to 30. Those in support that 21 to 30 form part of the bill say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clauses 31 to 40. Those in support that clauses 31 to 40 form part of the bill say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clauses 41 to 50. Those in support that 41 to 50 form part of the bill say aye. And those against say nay. The ayes have it. Clauses 51 to 60. Those in support that clauses 51 to 60 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it.
Point of order.
51 to 80 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 81 to 90 as amended form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 91 to 100 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 101 to 110 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 110 to 120 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 121 to 130 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 131 to 140 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 141 to 150 say form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 141 to 150 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that 151 to 156 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Those in support that the first schedule on the schedules on pages 104 form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have. Those in support that the explanatory memorandum on page 123 of the bill form part of the bill, say aye. Those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Page 1, the long title. Those in favor that the long title as couched form part of the bill, say aye. And those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Leader of the Senate.
Thank you, Mr. President, sitting as chair.